Welcome to HouseLuxe Estate, the one-stop channel for all your investment insight needs. In this ever-evolving world where financial landscapes shift and slide, it can be quite a task to stay ahead of the curve. That's where we come in. HouseLuxe Estate is your trusted guide, navigating the intricate labyrinth of investments with you. Our aim? To provide you with valuable, actionable information and insights on investments, breaking down complex concepts into simple, understandable nuggets. We're here to help you make smart, informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the world of investments, HouseLuxe Estate is your compass, guiding you through the wilderness of the financial world. With the latest trends, expert advice, and innovative strategies at your fingertips, you're never alone in your investment journey. We're with you every step of the way, equipping you with the knowledge to conquer the investment world. So ensure to stay tuned and subscribe for more investment insights. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of AI and its impact on investment decisions. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is about simulating human intelligence in machines, especially computer systems. These machines are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. But AI goes beyond just the basic tasks. It can access and analyze vast amounts of data in a way that goes far beyond human capabilities, and it's getting better and more sophisticated every day. Now, why does AI matter in the world of investments? Well, imagine for a moment a world where data-driven insights guide every investment decision, where patterns and trends are detected long before human analysts could spot them, and where the risk is calculated with an accuracy that is simply unmatched. That's the power of AI. The world of investments is a complex and dynamic one. It's not just about numbers and figures. It's about understanding global markets, geopolitical events, industry trends, company performance, and so much more. And here's where AI comes into play. By leveraging artificial intelligence, investors can process and analyze vast amounts of data from various sources in real time. AI can identify patterns, make predictions, and provide insights that would take human analysts days, if not weeks, to figure out. This allows for faster, more informed decisions, which is crucial in an industry where time is money. AI is not just used for data analysis, it's also being used to automate trading. AI-powered trading bots can execute trades at lightning speed, taking advantage of minute price differences and market inefficiencies that humans simply can't keep up with. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. AI can also help reduce risk. By learning from historical data and market trends, AI can predict potential market downturns and help investors mitigate their risk. And let's not forget about personalization. AI can help tailor investment strategies to individual investors' needs and preferences, creating a truly personalized investment experience. AI, when used correctly, can revolutionize how we make investment decisions. So, how exactly does AI enhance our investment decisions, you may ask? Well, the simple answer is by providing a level of data analysis and predictive abilities that far surpasses human capabilities. Firstly, let's talk about data. In the world of investments, data is king. It's the foundation upon which all investment decisions are built. We're talking about massive amounts of data here, from market trends, economic indicators, to company financials, and even global events. Now, imagine having to dig through all that data manually. It's certainly a daunting task, isn't it? Here's where AI comes into play. AI algorithms can sort through these massive data sets in a fraction of the time it would take a human. It's like having a super-powered magnifying glass that can find the needle in the haystack, so to speak. But it's not just about speed, it's also about accuracy. AI can detect patterns and correlations in the data that humans might miss, leading to more informed investment decisions. Now let's shift gears and talk about risk assessment. Investing, by its very nature, involves risk. Every investor wants to minimize this risk while maximizing returns. Traditionally, this risk assessment has been done by human analysts, but again, AI can do this more effectively. It can analyze past market behavior, consider various risk factors, and provide a more accurate assessment of potential investment risks. Finally, AI can help predict market trends. This is the holy grail of investing, being able to predict where the market is heading. Now, no AI can predict the future with complete certainty. However, by analyzing vast amounts of past and present data, AI can make educated predictions about future market trends. This can give investors a significant edge in making their investment decisions. So in essence, AI equips investors with the right tools to navigate the complex investment landscape. It's like having a superpowered assistant that can analyze data, assess risk, and predict market trends, helping you make better, more informed investment decisions. AI, my friends, is truly revolutionizing the world of investing. Now that we understand the role of AI in investments, how can we utilize this technology? The first step to use AI for investment decisions is to identify your needs. Are you looking for AI tools to help with market analysis, risk management, or portfolio optimization? Perhaps you require a tool that can do all three. Whatever your needs, there are AI solutions available. Next, you'll want to research and compare various AI tools. Some may excel in data analysis, while others might boast superior predictive capabilities. Look for a tool that aligns with your investment strategy and meets your specific needs. For instance, if you're a day trader, you might benefit from an AI tool that can analyze vast amounts of data in real time and provide immediate insights. Once you've found a tool that suits your needs, take the time to familiarize yourself with its capabilities. Most AI tools offer tutorials or guides to help users understand their features. Don't be afraid to take advantage of these resources. Remember, the more comfortable you are with your tool, the more effectively you can use it. Now, let's talk about interpreting the data. AI tools can offer a wealth of information, but it's up to you to make sense of it all. This is where your knowledge of investment principles comes into play. Use your understanding of market trends, economic indicators, and financial statements to interpret the data provided by your AI tool. For instance, if your AI tool predicts a bullish trend for a particular stock, but you notice that the company has been consistently underperforming, you might want to take a closer look before making a decision. The AI tool isn't infallible. It's just another tool in your investment toolbox. At the same time, don't let your biases cloud your judgment. If your AI tool suggests an investment that doesn't align with your gut feeling, take a step back and reevaluate. Perhaps there's something you're missing, or maybe the AI tool has identified a trend that isn't immediately obvious. Finally, remember to continuously monitor your investments. AI tools can help you stay on top of market trends and adjust your strategy as needed. However, they can't replace the need for diligent oversight. Regularly check your portfolio and make adjustments based on both the AI's suggestions and your own analysis. In conclusion, using AI for investment decisions involves identifying your needs, choosing the right tool, understanding how to use it, interpreting the data it provides, and continuously monitoring your investments. It's a process that requires both technological savvy and investment know-how. But with the right approach, you can leverage AI to make more informed strategic investment decisions. With these steps, you can effectively leverage AI to make informed investment decisions. We've covered a lot of ground today. Let's summarize what we've learned. We started by diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, peeling back the layers to truly understand its role in the investment landscape. We learned that AI is not just a buzzword, but a powerful tool that's revolutionizing the way we invest. We delved into the specifics of how AI can enhance investment decisions. It's all about the data. AI systems thrive on vast amounts of data, churning through historical trends, market indicators, and economic forecasts at lightning speed. It's this ability to analyze and interpret complex datasets that makes AI a game changer in investment decision-making. Then we took a step-by-step journey on how to use AI for better investment decisions. We learned about the importance of integrating AI into our investment strategies and how it can help us make more informed decisions. It's not about replacing human judgment, but augmenting it with data-driven insights. Artificial intelligence brings a level of precision and speed to investment decision-making that was previously unimaginable. It sifts through the noise, identifies patterns, and predicts future trends with a degree of accuracy that simply cannot be matched by human analysis alone. This doesn't mean humans are out of the picture. Quite the contrary. It's about the marriage of human intuition with AI's computational power to create a more robust, efficient, and effective investment strategy. As we wrap up, let's not forget the importance of staying up to date with the latest AI technologies and trends. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial to leveraging its full potential in our investment decisions. Remember, AI is a powerful tool for investment decisions. Stay ahead of the curve, and don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more investment insights.